if you walk through there and walk up, you'll see the mine, and it was way out on the other side of that.
Okay.
They towed it out with the D9.
There you go.
He lost a fucking bolt.
You be right with two?
What have I got myself into? Not only are we up against it, they just lose the fucking bolts.
If you know it, you'll be able to have a rubber whiskey or
Alright, so we're going to have another go at starting the old Terex 8240 today. It's been about almost a year since we pulled it out of the coal mine. Last time we tried to start it at the coal mine, the starter motor actually burned out. We've got a new starter motor for it now and brand new batteries. So we're going to give it a kick in the guts today and see if we can get it turning over. But we don't really know what state the engine is in. We have had it turning a couple of revolutions, but it's anyone's guess whether it will start today. But yeah, we'll give it a try and see what happens. Remember last time the cables were all twitching?
Yeah, they were.
So hot. Yeah.
A lot of comments about that, wasn't there?
Yeah.
See them? Bloody hey, Casey old comments.
Yeah. Plenty of experts out there.
Oh yeah, there is. You wouldn't have seen it with the hydraulic tank in that out, Marty.
No, I haven't.
Yeah.
No. Interesting.
Hydraulic pump and all that.
Yeah. How's that all looking?
Oh, I don't know, we just pulled it all out.
Yeah.
Get to the engine.
Yeah.
Alright, if it doesn't turn, it's fucked.
Yeah.
See.
So what's the plan now?
I don't know what the best bit would be here today. Just strip it out and unseize it. It'd be good to get it going and see what that granny's like.
Yeah, it would. So there's a lot of things I want to do in around the motor is in here.
Yeah, but I mean, you could strip it down and unseize it.
Top end C's or bloody?
No, it'll be pistons.
Oh, okay, they'll be stuck.
Yeah,
You can take the heads off them.
heads off, some off. I'm picking, but you don't really know.
No. No.
Could you take the injectors out and just pour some oil down them, or?
Oh, you probably got a bit of a stuck now. It's going to be buggered anyway.
Yeah.
It's yeah, I wouldn't.
Well,
Make it worse,
my thing is to take it out and have a look at it. It might not be worth something no more than just that.
Yeah, well, I mean, at the end of the day, you're probably up for liners and pistons, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah. Is it worthwhile giving it a turn back the other way, Brownie, on that big nut, going instead of tightening? Like you said, it only go up so far, but
No,
at the end of the day, we'll either turn or loosen the nut, won't it?
Yeah, it should be locked up both ways, so
Yeah.
yeah. No, I think she got to come out.
Yeah. Well, the plus was that it turned over originally.
Yeah.
So it can't be completely shagged. We want to get that all bloody done too, you see.
Oh, yeah.
That would create a bit of interest, that little machine.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, especially packed beside this thing.
Yeah.
Go and crank it up.
It's a Terex S7.
S7, okay.
So single 7 cubic meters
Yep.
struck and 10 cubic meters heaped up.
Yep.
Well, yards actually, not meters.
Right. Nice. So you're going to restore this one as well?
Oh yeah, no, we'll work it.
Yeah.
We just brought a little 7-ton excavator that'll work good with this, you know, for loading topsoil. And,
Okay.
but we really need to give it a push. It's like it can't self-load really.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The cab's off, it came out with a normal cab on it.
Oh, yeah.
Which we tipped upside down, on cab, fuck the cab. Wire doors, I think.
Oh, okay.
So we just popped up. I've never used anything else except just cranked her up on the battery before, so
Yeah.
if she spins over, she'll go. Well, that should make a liar out of me, you see. Why need to squirt, Brownie?
No.
the one in Sweden is enough, really.
Yeah, there's no smoke coming out. Amazing.
That's the engineer who did it many years ago.
Yeah,
We got something pretty clever to fix it.
Oh, yeah, you did it. Did you have to do much to it? Yeah. Awesome.
Oh well, boys, we've got to decide whether we put that thing in there and frame or take it out.
no, I'm taking it out.
Yeah, take it out. Got other stuff to do in there anyhow, so want to sandblast her all and clean her all out. So we take her out and have a look
More
inside
damage
to
done there, I
determine
suppose,
whether
eh?
it's easier to get another engine and put in it or.
Right.
Oh, it probably won't be. Like, they're not hard to pull a piece because even if they are seizing the liners will push out.
Yeah.
You got liners and all that, haven't you?
Yeah.
New ones?
Yeah, we've got liners that they're for the right size.
Yeah, well, you never know, you'd make up because it's not as though it's going into bloody 2,000 hours a year, is it?
No. In fact, I'll be scratching if we ever get 2,000 hours out of it once it's going.
Oh, well, maybe take a few photos along the way of the process.
Oh no, I'd like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you're ever over this way,
Yep.
like what we might get Brandy to get in touch with it. Maybe if we get her all ready to lift out.
Yeah.
And if you're over, we'll leave it till we lift it out, sort of thing. You know?
I'll come over any day to see
Eh?
them. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll come over any day.